excited to be here?
It was really inspirational to see so many people interested in the data. It was really cool to see Zurich on the Skype. It's fantastic. So many people, so many time zones away can be participating, and I'm really looking forward to the results. And I guess really it's just inspiring to see everyone involved. That's what I take away. I've seen cool apps on iPad even, or on their laptops, and they're really diving into this data and making some good use of it. Already answering some policy questions and operations questions I had from a couple weeks ago at SwissnexSF, and I think people are in the right direction. And of course it's really artistic too, which is great. So it's beautiful visualizations, and they're really attacking the data, which is fantastic.
Hi, I'm Juan. I'm here with a group of students from UC Berkeley. We still don't have a team name, but we'll come up with that later. But what we're trying to do is to work on assessing the reliability of bus service, and let my co-teammates.
Yeah, well, we are dealing now with the database to generate the proper information that we are going to visualize. And here our teammates are working on the visualization, and they already have something, at least a small prototype of showing the... Can you show the lab?
Yes. I hope it'll show up on the camera, but we're just trying to get, this is just for a line, trying to show how far off schedule they are with the different size of circles. Still got some bugs to work out, obviously, because the circles aren't centered properly in their containers, but that'll be the idea.
Who came up with the idea?
Yeah.
Our team name is UrbanData for Urban Data Challenge, and we are interested in looking at 3D visualizations of transit networks to kind of try to visualize and solve. Sorry, well, I don't have that. We want to visualize how the buses actually interact on the network, and possibly solve transit efficiency issues like bus bunching and gaps. So one of the ways we're doing this is through this 3D map, which shows the dominoes, which are buses, the ribbons underneath, which are routes, and underneath these are actually the stops. So we're going to try to make this a more sophisticated way of seeing how buses go through a city within a day.
What we've been working on together is a way to, in a sense, abstract the surge of ridership on the bus system. So basically, to be able to see in a visual way how the surge of passengers from the extremes sort of like migrates towards the center at the beginning of the day, and how it moves to the exterior, in a sense to kind of capture, kind of, as you put it, sort of the heartbeat of the city.
Right.
So it's not so much a tool for navigating the city or anything like that, but it's more to appreciate kind of where the people who come downtown every day are, where they're coming from, and when they're leaving, and in a sense capture in an abstract way that sort of throbbing effect of the downtown.
Heartbeat of the city.
Yeah, and so we're looking at data of headings, of volume of people moving, and actually sort of the distance. So it's snapshots in time, kind of repeated in the cycle, and that's how the display is supposed to work.
Our project is going to be looking at trying to understand how people can get where they want to go in San Francisco. So what we want to do is create basically a heat map of saying, all right, I'm going to choose one place in San Francisco, let's say where I live, and I'm going to see how long it takes me to get to different places around the city.
So really the goal is to look at 3 cities and make inferences about transportation problems or successes, and then apply that to San Francisco and look at ways to show frustration in a way that's meaningful to a viewer of the map so that they can make decisions. For instance, it's easier for me to walk, or maybe I want to take a different bus line, based upon this frustration index.